Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Welcome to anybody who's newly subscribed, and as always, thank you so much to everybody who has been watching my videos and just giving me great and just wonderful supportive comments. We're almost to the 230 subscriber mark, so I'm very excited. But besides that, I'm here today to do an unboxing with you. So Tivisiy, a company, reached out to me and they had asked me to review some 3D wood carvings from HiPark. So Tivisiy is actually your one-stop destination for creative artwork, home decor gifts, and just really unique types of gifts for really anybody in your life. And once I show you these 3D carvings, they are going to just knock your socks off. They are really cute. When they asked me to review, I looked at their website. I saw something perfect for each of for my son, my daughter, and my husband. So I was really happy to partner with Tivisiy for this review. Like I said, they did send me this for review, so I just kind of want to put that out there, but I was just very happy to be able to work with them. So we'll go ahead and get right to the unboxing. So here is my first box. I wanted to show you the packaging, how wonderful actually it is packaged. So this is a good quality cardboard. You can actually see how cute it is, which I think actually I will go ahead and reuse this because look how fun. It has this peekaboo here. This is hi, and then park. It says how are you, and then here it says give animals a home, and then in the back you will see here it says HiPark, give animals a home. So again, I love the way that it's packaged, very secure in making sure that everything inside is secured and that it's not going anywhere. So we'll go ahead and unbox this one. And then you'll see here that the card has just lots of animals. And then this one says, who are we? HiPark is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detailed oriented designers and produced in a partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as to wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we committed giving to nonprofit organizations to help make this planet a better place. And then it says better planet, better life. We are on our way. So it's nice that there is, again, these creative people who want to give back as well, and these companies who want to give back to animals. So I'm going to show you what I chose for my husband. So he likes anything eagles in America, so I decided to go ahead and choose this for him. And you will see just how beautiful this eagle is. So it has our flag here, and in the back you can see the mountains. And then we have, like, it looks like a sun or even a moon here, and then some clouds. And then again, we have the state capitol here, and then this eagle is just beautiful. And if you look on the sides, look how not detailed, but how thick this is. So you can definitely see all of the recycled wood, and it is recycled white oak, which a majority of their pieces are made out of. So this one again is wonderfully just built and created. So you'll see just how gorgeous this is. And again, all of the little details, you just pick out all kinds of little details once you really start looking at it closer. So there's that one. And then again, inside the packaging, you'll see it just has all this good stuffing in there. Again, keeping everything very secure. This next one is going to be for my daughter. I chose this one for her. And again, the packaging, you'll see it says hi, and then park, And it comes with the same little message there, the little card. And so this one that we have is, I did choose for her a unicorn, because she loves unicorn, anything kind of mythical. And this is adorable. You see, again, I'm going to show you the details, because I feel like every time you look at it, you find different details. So you have little flowers and stars here in the tail, and the hearts and the rainbow, and then a little tiny unicorn in there. And then there is a moon and some stars and birds. Like I said, you look at it any way and you find new details, but again, just look at the quality. Beautiful. And then you have the horn here, and this unicorn just looks so majestic, so pretty. So that's what I chose for my daughter and my husband. I do have a pug coming in for my son, and like I said, you know that he loves pugs. So the pug that's coming in is going to be an LED. So they do have different options. They have an LED option, they have one without an LED, and then they do have a LED or LED with sound as well. So the one that's coming in for him is just the LED, so it's going to be like a little nightlight, something that he can put by his bed. And I will make another review video when that comes in, but I wanted to get these out and show these to you, just to show you how beautiful they are. And again, making great gifts. Graduations are coming up, birthdays, special occasions, so things like that. Even this would be a really good anniversary gift for my husband. Our anniversary is coming up here soon, and I thought that would be a good gift for him as well. So I hope that you like this video. I do have a coupon code below, and I'll go ahead and show it on the screen as well. You'll probably see it actually in the front of this video, so I will have a coupon code for you there. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know down below, and please if you have any comments or questions, just go ahead and have them down below, and I will go ahead and put the link for Tivisiy and for the HiPark 3D creations as well. So I hope that you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.